So we discussed in last class ray optics and optical instruments. Ray optic and optical instruments. And so what is the f focal length and radius of the curvature, and so what is the center of the curvature or radius of the curvature, and what is the focus, etc. we discussed in a last class. Also prove that r is equal to f. R is equal to f. Radius of the curvature is equal, so double of the focal length. Okay, already proved that in a last class. Today, so we discuss the another topic. So that is called as a Cartesian sign convention. Also now we discussed, and so the image distance. So the image distance find out the mirror equation. First of all, we find out the mirror equation. So 1 by f is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. Now here, so Cartesian sign convention is taken. So this is called as a lens is taken. So this is called as a lens, and or mirror. So the incident light is taken along. Incident light. Okay. Incident light is taken along. So the all heights are is taken upward direction and downward direction. So heights are taken. Heights are positive. Okay, upward direction, and heights downward direction, negative. And so we have taken, this is called as a pole of the mirror. So this is called as a principal axis. Principal axis. All distances are measured. All distances are measured along the incident light. Along incident light. Along incident light is taken positive. Positive. Okay, got it. All distances are measured. All distances are measured. Opposite. Or measure opposite or against to incident light or taken negative. Okay. So now in this is called as a according to sign Cartesian, sign convention method. So now here, so all distances are measured from the pole of the mirror. Okay, all distances are measured from the pole of the mirror, and also so all heights are measured in upward direction is taken positive. Okay, heights are in upward direction is taken as positive, and heights are downward direction is taken negative. Okay, so now here taken, so this is called as a principal axis, and so all the distances are measured along the incident light is taken as positive. Okay, all the distances are measured along the incident light is taken as positive, and here taken all the distances are measured opposite or against. All the distances are measured opposite or against to incident light. Or taken as a negative. Okay, got it. So now another one. So the mirror equation to find out. Mirror equation. So 1 by f is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay. So f is called focal length and v is called as the image distance. U is called as a object distance. Okay. U is object distance, v is image distance, and f is focal length. Okay, got it. So now here taken the object. So this is called as a principal axis. So now here take it. So this is called as a object. Object is a place A, B is called as a object. Object is placed so outside of the curvature of the concave mirror. Okay, outside of the curvature of the concave mirror object. So that is taken A, B is the object. And so the AB ray is incident at a point B is passing through the focus F along the DF. Okay, got it. So now we have taken, so the AP is the line passing through the, so the P point pole of the mirror is also passing through. And so the AE line, okay, so the AE line incident at a point E and a curvature and is passing through the along the same. Okay, so the image is formed. So this is called as the image A dash B dash. Okay, so the image is formed A dash B dash due to the AB object. Okay, object, and so the image is called as a virtual image, erect image, and magnified image is formed A dash B dash. Okay, erect image and magnified image. Okay, so the inverted image is formed between the A dash B dash. Okay, so this is called as the object. Okay, this is total is taken ray diagram. Okay, ray diagram. Okay, so the AB is called as a object. Okay, AB is called as object. Object is placed outside of the curvature of the concave mirror. So the image is formed A dash B dash due to the object. Okay, so the A ray is the incident at a point T and passing through the focus, and AE line is incident at a point E and is passing through the center of the curvature. Okay, and so the image is formed, so that is called as a inverted image and magnified image and virtual image formed. So in this A dash and B dash. Okay, so now here taken, so two triangles are is taken, so that is called as a one triangle is D F P, one is taken triangle, and A dash B dash F is taken another triangle. A dash B dash F and another triangle is taken F D P. F D P is taken another triangle. Okay, these two triangles are similar triangles. Similar triangles. So similar triangles means so దీని యొక్క హైట్ ఎంత ఉంటుందో దీని యొక్క హైట్ కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, దీని యొక్క బేస్ ఎంత ఉంటుందో దీని యొక్క బేస్ కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది, బికాస్ దీస్ టూ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్. Okay, got it? So that is taken here. A dash B dash F is the one triangle is taken, and F D P is taken another triangle. So these two triangles are equal triangles. Okay, so this one. Okay, so these two triangles are equal triangles. Okay, so here taken, so the height is taken A dash B dash. So A dash B dash by. So here, so similar triangle is taken, the height is taken PD. PD. Okay, is equal. So base is taken. So B dash F is equal. B dash F is equal. Okay, so F P is taken. F P. But so the PD is equal is taken AB. Okay, so that we can write so PD is equal to AB. AB. Now substituting in the equation, so we get A dash B dash by PD is equal. So PD is plus substituting AB is equal B dash F by F P. So equation 1 we get. And also now taken another two triangles. So that is called as A B P is taken one triangle. Okay, A B P. A B P. Okay, triangles. So now another is taken. So that is called as A dash B dash P is taken another triangle. A dash B dash P is taken another triangle. Okay, so these two triangles are similar triangles is taken. Similar triangles. Right? Angles. So similar triangles is taken. So the height is A dash B dash is equal. Height is taken. And the base is equal. So the total base is equal. Okay, got it? So this is called as a triangle. So one triangle is taken. And another triangle is taken, so this one. Okay, got it. So the height is taken A dash B dash. A dash B dash. So now another triangle is height is taken AB. AB is the height is equal. Okay. So the base is taken B dash P. B dash P is equal. So the base is taken BP are equal. BP are equal. This equation is 2. Okay. So now comparison of the equation 1 and 2. We get. So A dash B dash by AB is equal B dash F by FB. A dash B dash by AB is equal B dash P by BB. So now these two left and are equal. So now right also equal. Okay. So left side are equal and also right side are equal. So the B dash F by FP is equal B dash P by BP we can write. Okay, got it. So B dash F, so the B dash F is taken here, B dash F. So the total is taken, B dash P minus FP is remaining length is taken. Okay, got it. So the total is B dash P minus B dash P minus FP we can write by FP we can write. Okay, got it. So B dash P. So if B dash F. So the B dash F is equal, we can write. So B dash P minus FP by FP substituting. Okay, got it. Now, so here taken, so that is called as a, according to Cartesian sign convention. Cartesian sign convention. So B dash P is taken here, B dash P, that is the length is taken, so that is called as a image distance is taken, so that is V. Okay, so the B dash P is equal V. B dash P is equal V. And FP is equal F. FP is equal F. And so BP is equal U. BP is equal U. So object distance, image distance, focal length. Okay, so three terms are is taken. Okay, so B dash P is equal to B, FP is equal to F, BP is equal to U. Now substituting in the equation, so we get, so B dash P. Okay, so B dash P by BB. B dash P is equal to V. Okay, BP is equal to U by U. So B dash P is equal to V. BP is equal to U. Now B dash P is equal to V minus FP is equal minus F by FP. FP is equal, F is taken. Okay, got it. So now here V by U is equal, so V by U is equal V by F minus F by F, cancel. So V by U is equal V by F minus 1. Okay, got it. So now V by F is equal V by U plus 1. Okay, V by U plus 1. So 1 by F is equal, so 1 by F is equal 1 by V. So V is go to outside by dividing. Okay, V here also dividing but cancel. Okay, so 1 by V plus 1 by U. So this is called as a mirror equation. So 1 by F is equal 1 by V plus 1 by U. So F is called as a focal length. V is called as a image distance. U is called as a object distance is taken. So now using this equation, so 1 by F is equal 1 by V plus 1 by U is called as a mirror equation. Okay, got it. So now here this is called as the array diagram of finality. So these are two similar triangles is taken. Here also two similar triangles, and comparing of these two triangles we get this equation. And by using the Cartesian sign convention method, so we can write the, so 1 by F is equal 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay, so this is called as a mirror equation. is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u. Mirror equation. Okay, so given problem, so that is based on the mirror equation. So 1 by f is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u. Got it. So but here given that information object of the 5 centimeters height. So the h1 is taken 5 centimeters height. Okay. Now. So the height is placed in a distance of 15 centimeters from the concave mirror. So that is called as u is given. So u is equal to minus 15 centimeters. And radius of curvature is given. R is equal. So minus 20 centimeters is given. Find the size of the image. Size find out it. Okay. So size of the image. Next question. So now first of all, here given that information, so the height 5 centimeters, u is equal minus 15 centimeters, that is called as a object distance, and r is called as the radius of the curvature minus 20 centimeters. So size of the image to find out the mirror equation. So the mirror equation, so 1 by f is equal 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, got it. So 1 by v is equal 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay, got it. So that is means so the r is equal to 2f, already we know that 2f. F is equal r by 2. R by 2 means minus 20 by 2 is equal to minus 10 centimeters. Okay, already we discussed in the last class. R is equal to f. F is equal r by 2. R is equal minus 20 by 2 minus 10 centimeters. So 1 by v is equal. Okay. So 1 by f. 1 by f is nothing but so 1 by minus 10. So 1 by u is equal minus 15. Okay. So minus into minus plus. So 1 by 10. So plus 15 minus. Now substituting. So we get the answer. So the 5 by 150 minus, so 5 5 is 530. Okay, so minus 1 by 30 centimeters. So v is equal minus 30 centimeters. So to find out, we got it. So but to find out the size of the image, so that is called as a, so the magnificency. According to formula magnificency, so v by u is equal, okay, h2 by h1. Okay, so v by u is equal h2 by h1. Okay, so v and u, h1 is nothing but so 5 centimeters, or h1 h2 by h1, or h1 by h2. Okay, so v by u is equal h2 by h1. So that is called as a v by u. So v by u is nothing but we are given that information 15 centimeters and v is equal to 30. So that 40 by 50 minus minus. So here cancel. 2. V by U is equal 2. H is equal, that is taken, H2 is equal, that is what is image. Image is equal, H2 is equal, H1 into 2. H1 is equal, the height is given 5 centimeters. So 5 into 2 is equal 10 centimeters the height of the image. Height of the image. So here given that information, so magnetic frequency V by U is equal H2 by H1. So V by U is equal 2. H is 1, H is given, that is called as the H2. H1 into 2 is equal, 5 into 2 is equal, 10 centimeters. So that is called as a image of the height or size of the image. Okay. So further class, today class is over, further class we discuss the another topic. Okay. Thank you students.